How to fix Control Ultimate Edition is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game and open up the properties window. Go to installed files and click on verify game files and wait for it to finish checking. Now once it's done, you want to go back to the general tab and in the launch options box you want to type -dx11 like this, and then you can close Steam. Now you will need to open up your browser and then search for Revist. Click on the first link, and from here you will need to download latest redistributables, the 86 and the 64 for Windows. Both of them need to be installed. And after finishing the installation, this will basically prompt you to reboot your computer. But before doing that, you might also need to check if you have the latest GPU update installed. So if you have an NVIDIA graphic card, you will need to basically download NVIDIA app by searching the NVIDIA app and downloading it from the first link here. And then you will need to go to the drivers tab and select Game Ready Driver, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest available version. And then you can proceed to restart your system. And after the restart, you will need to open up Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can open up the game again. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.